moving to item number 7. Again, it's another contract for our effluent disposal farm crop harvesting, which I see we're all sold out of, so maybe we need to put the price up of our crops. However, Mr. Green, you've taken the big seat.
I have.
Just give us a quick overview, please, sir, so rather than take things as read, just to make sure we do fully understand.
So it's a pretty mechanical item, which essentially is the business we're in the table. Now we've got to spend money and make money. Essentially, this is the disposal sites. We've got several areas there of pasture. Traditionally, we would harvest and put it into hay balance and sold that hay balance. That's at a net income in the past of just over $1 million, at 1.022. This contract is for the operation of actually doing the harvesting and baling, etc. It's gone out to tender, and we had several tenders there. The cheapest happens to be the incumbent, and so the recommendation is that we approve the incumbent for a further 3 plus 2 1 year rollovers.
So if I read this right, last year we made $1,032,000 off those big round hay bales that we sell. So New Road, you'll pass the racetrack, you're familiar with what we're talking about. And it's going to cost us $599,000 to produce them.
Sure.
So there should be a net profit there of about $400,000, which offsets costs of the disposal time. Nice word. How much was it previously?
That question was asked by a colleague before, so I should have investigated, but it was slightly less than that, and this has been increased due to fuel costs, etc. So it is slightly more.
And it's the same contractor.
It's the same contractor. So we did get 3 tenders, and this was the cheapest of the 3.
Is that any questions? Councillor?
Is that why the engineer's estimate was $650?
It wouldn't be to take into account that extra cost. I guess the other side of the coin is that as costs go up for the harvesting and the cost of hay in the market, the general market will also go up. So you assume that the 1.032 would also increase in the next 3 years.
Just hang on.
Sorry.
Councillor Kirk had a hand up first. Sorry, Councillor.
Are they a local contractor?
Yes.
Right.
Councillor Minchuk.
So it does have a growth last year's equivalent of what was paid out at the top line there, just over half.
It does.
The actual question I asked before is actually answered there. The contract was $530,000. Our engineers estimated it would probably go up to $650,000 because of fuel costs, etc. However, it's coming at $599. So I should have read it more thoroughly. My apologies. Any further questions, Councillor Dana?
Yeah, I'll just look. So the net profit is say $400,000. How much does it? What about the infrastructure? Is that taken into account, taken off as well? I'm just looking at the bottom line, like
No, land costs, I think. It just goes towards your operating costs.
Yeah, but what about all the infrastructure of the poo? Because that's where all the poo stuff comes out. That's what grows it, isn't it? Sorry, the sewage or whatever it is.
Treated it.
So is that all taken into account over the years, or was it all paid off now?
For the actual infrastructure, we took out loans, and that's built into all of our operational costs. So the $400,000 income offsets those operational costs, which includes cost of servicing for loans.
I think from memory we opened the effluent farm about 18 months ago. We officially opened it at a cost of about $18 million. And it is designed to take Taupo's growth through to 2050 plus. And it won an award actually for one of the most sustainable and eco-friendly treated effluent farms in New Zealand. Is that right? Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry, Councillor Truman.
Yeah, I was just wondering, what's the process for selling the crops? Does it come to council to
We sell the crop ourselves.
Yeah.
We actually sell them.
So to tender it, do we tender it?
No, we just put a price. There's a market value normally for that. Hey, we put a big sign up on the side of the road, and at the moment, if you drive past, it says "Sorry, sold out." Until we get our next crop. And it's all dependent on what happens to farmers with droughts and things like that.
That doesn't answer the previous question. The value of that hay will be increasing over time, as is the value of the product, because it's costing everybody a bit more to produce. And obviously, at different times of the year when there's a drought, the
nothing further on that, for the excellent disposal of farmers crop harvesting, I would ask for a move approved and a second, 7/1 at the bottom, which is a suggested resolution that the contract was, or tender is accepted and turned into a contract. Move, Councillor Garner, second reading there, Councillor Tate, all those in favour?